this time. Look at that thing. Unbelievable. Pull it back. It's above the house. Oh my goodness. Looks like a bird with its wings tucked in. We're gonna run after this thing, you guys. Oh my God, it's right above me right now. It's probably around 70, 80 feet in the air. Maybe even higher than that. Yeah, that thing's higher than that now. I gotta zoom in on it. Holy cow. That thing is so high in the air. It's still going. Incredible. Back near the flagpole again. Oh, there it is. And it's in the tree. That was amazing. Oh my God.
That was the best flight. I was waiting,
Yeah.
under control that time.
Yeah, because there's not a lot of wind. That was amazing. Wow.